Sharad, fertilizer stocks are buzzing today. Any particular reason that you're citing for this?
Well, yes. Firstly, we are thinking that the numbers which are coming from the current domestic market prices, they are actually trending higher than the subsidy prices which have been fixed. And also, we are hearing from the street that there might be an increase in the budgetary allocation for the fertilizers as well for this year as well. But going ahead, there are important factors coming in the industry buzz, especially Russia is likely to impose a 23.5% export duty going ahead, and also domestic subsidy recently was doubled in FY23, and the numbers which are already there in the public domain. And going forward, Gazprom is expected to cut down the supply for natural gas in Russia, and because of this there would be higher natural gas prices, and this would impact the fertilizer production. Now we see the fertilizer subsidy which has been happening, it's already doubled in FY23, but for FY24 it's expected to remain on an elevated levels as well. Now let's look at the domestic prices, how they have moved, and MCX prices have gone up almost 15%, and if we see the international prices and especially the European natural gas prices, they have also gone up more than 10% over the last week itself. But the main factor remains is what lies ahead for the Indian fertilizer industry. Of course, the first one being that the cost of imports might be likely to go up by almost $70 per ton, and this is because of the impact of the Russia imposing export duty on fertilizers, and subsidy for FY24 is expected to remain elevated, but domestic industry is likely to stock up the imported fertilizer in the third quarter of this year, this is the calendar year 2022. And of course, DAP, NPK and MOP, these are the fertilizers which Indians will be importing.